Welcome to ANM News. Welcome to Impact Sharad Anando, and a very happy pujas to all of you here present here. Some of the best puja committees of Kolkata, as well as people from across the world. Have a very august company with us here today, and we are going to take you around some of the most beautiful pandals in Kolkata. This is a gesture. This is the first time we are doing this. This is the first time we are organizing this kind of a scenario because of pandemic, because of COVID-19 situation. We are trying to maintain as much as social distancing as possible, and this is one of those ventures, because Durga Puja is something that is synonymous with one of the best and the most beautiful festivals in the world. It's a very iconic festival, and where you can see not only it's a religious festival, it's a festival of art and culture. It's a festival of light. It's a festival of some of the beautiful innovations that one can see. So let me introduce guests to you. We have with us Mr. Virender Sharma, who is a member of Parliament from United Kingdom. I can see Mr. Sharma on the screen. Welcome to ANM News and welcome to our program, Mr. Sharma. We have with us Sonia Virdi. She is an honorable member of Parliament from Kenya, all the way from Kenya. Welcome to ANM News and welcome to our show, Sonia Virdi. Of course, she's also a very flexi politician. She is a very big exponent of yoga all over the world. This is an added this thing of Sonia Virdi. We also have with us Mr. Marvin Alexander, the Chief Postmaster General of Kolkata and Eastern Region. And Mr. Alexander is responsible for all the mails and every deliveries that we do, not only in India, but he corrected me just now, it has to go all over the world. We have some of the most beautiful community puja pandals ready here, and we are going to go to them one by one. They are going to showcase their structure, they are going to show us in their own way the entire how they have built it and what is the beauty of their innovation. So first, before anything else, we start off with a puja committee called Tala Barwari Durga Utsav Committee. Tala Barwari Durga Utsav Committee is one of the oldest pujas in Kolkata, and they are very highly rated. They won Impact Sharad Anando competition that we have been doing for the last 24 years, and they have won several years Tala Barwari. So we have the representative from Tala Barwari Puja Committee. Can Tala Barwari Puja Committee take over? Can you just kind of explain to the judges about to our guests about your puja pandal and show us your structure?
শুভ শারদিয়া। টালা বারোয়ারি এই বছর যে বিষয়টা নিয়ে কাজ করেছে সেই বিষয়টি শান্তি রূপেণ সংস্থিতা, ইন্ডিয়ান ডিফেন্স ফর পিস। ভারতবর্ষের ইতিহাস বা পৃথিবীর ইতিহাস ঘাঁটলে দেখা যায় ভারতীয় সেনাবাহিনী বা ভারতবর্ষ পৃথিবীর ইতিহাসে বরাবর শান্তি প্রতিষ্ঠার চেষ্টা করেছে। সে কোনোদিন নিজে আগে থেকে কোনো যুদ্ধে অংশগ্রহণ করেনি বা কাউকে আক্রমণ করেনি। 1971 আফগানিস্তান যুদ্ধ, যেখানে ভারতবর্ষ তার ডিফেন্স সেক্টরে যে গ্র্যান্ডার বৃদ্ধি করছে বা নিজেকে যে শক্তিশালী করে তুলছে, তা কিন্তু শুধুমাত্র তার নিজেকে আত্মরক্ষা করার জন্য বা নিজের ডিফেন্স সেক্টরকে উন্নত করার জন্য। সেইখান থেকে এবছর টালা বারোয়ারি দেখাতে চাইছে।
I need to explain to them. What he is saying is that India has never been an expansionist. India has never believed in kind of crossing the territory and going and attacking somebody else. India has always showed up their own defense. India has always defended their own territory, has never been an expansionist force. That's what he's trying to say as he takes the and also is dedicated this year's puja to the defense forces and to the defense of the Indian Army and their capability in defending our motherland.
ভারতবর্ষের ইতিহাস ঘাটলে দেখা যায় ভারতবর্ষের ইতিহাসে শান্তির সব থেকে উজ্জ্বলকারী যে চিহ্ন বুদ্ধ, গৌতম বুদ্ধ, জন্ম, সিদ্ধিলাভ এবং তার মৃত্যু ভারতবর্ষে, যিনি সারা পৃথিবী জুড়ে যে শান্তির বাণী প্রচার করেছেন। ভারতবর্ষ সারা পৃথিবীকে বুদ্ধের নীতি দিয়েছে, কিন্তু ভারতবর্ষকে সারা পৃথিবী আগে থেকে যুদ্ধের নীতি দিয়েছে। তাই ভারতবর্ষ, তাই পৃথিবীকে তাই এই বছর টালাবারোয়ারি ভারতবর্ষের সেই বীর যোদ্ধাদের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধার্ঘ জানিয়ে তারা দেশের মাটি রক্ষা করার সাথে সাথে পৃথিবীর ইতিহাসে ইউনাইটেড নেশনস যারা সারা পৃথিবীব্যাপী সমস্ত দেশ থেকে সেনাবাহিনী নিয়ে সারা বিশ্বে শান্তি প্রতিষ্ঠা করে, সেই জায়গাতেও কিন্তু সব থেকে বেশি পরিমাণ সেনাবাহিনী দিয়ে থাকে ইউএনএ ভারতবর্ষ। কাজে ভারতবর্ষ শুধু নিজের দেশ নয়, সারা পৃথিবীর শান্তি প্রতিষ্ঠার ক্ষেত্রেও একটা যুগান্তকারী ভূমিকা নিয়েছে। আজকে ভারতবর্ষের উত্তর পশ্চিম সীমান্ত বা উত্তর পূর্ব সীমান্তে যেখানে
the entire Pandal, the structure they have dedicated it to India. India has given a lot of our defense, our men and materials to United Nations. They have Indian defense people, Indian military personnel are working at the international level for peace and tranquility. India believes in peace. India believes in tranquility, and that is what Marwari's entire structure is all about. It showcases India's defense and India's land of peace in India. And India is a land of peace, and that is what they are trying to showcase in this Pandal. Can I just ask you a thing, that what is this entire material made of?
বেশিরভাগ ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু খুব ন্যূনতম যে মেটেরিয়ালগুলো, বাঁশ, কিছু ফাইবারের কাজ, একদম ন্যূনতম মেটেরিয়ালগুলো দিয়ে আমাদের প্যান্ডেলকে আমরা সাজিয়ে তুলেছি। কিন্তু প্যান্ডেলে আমরা কিছু প্রতীকী সিগনিফিকেন্ট জিনিসকে দেখাতে চেষ্টা করেছি, যার মাধ্যমে আমরা আমাদের এই বছরের যে ট্রিবিউট সেটাকে অনেক সহজে আমাদের যারা ঠাকুর দেখতে আসবে তাদের সামনে তুলে ধরার চেষ্টা করব।
So yes, what he is saying is that most of the material that have been used in creating this entire pandal is of bamboo. So they have used bamboo structure to create this majestic pandal that you see right in front of you. And these have been lighted up, and these have been created over the last 2-3 months. Probably how long have you been taken to do this?
On ground, 1.5 months, but off ground in the workshop near about 5 or 6 months around.
So over the period of 5 to 6 months, they worked in their own studio, and then for the last 1.5 months they have been trying to put up this majestic structure. As we take you along inside the pandal, there are various decorations that you can see right in front of you. If you can ask you to just pan the camera around towards the Ma Durga a little bit, and move forward so that you can also see the side of towards the idol. Can you just take us towards the idol, please?
Definitely. এখানে আমরা ইন্ডিয়ান আর্মিকে দেখিয়েছি পায়ের মাধ্যমে, আর তার ওপরে দেখিয়েছি কামান। আমরা বোঝাতে চাইছি যে মানুষ বিজ্ঞানকে তার ভালো কাজে যখন ব্যবহার করে, মানুষের হাত দিয়ে যখন কামান চলে, সেই কামানের ওপরেই কিন্তু আমরা শান্তির পায়রা রেখেছি, যে কিনা যেটাই সেই পায়রাকেই কিন্তু আমরা সিগনিফাই করেছি আমাদের যে ইন্ডিয়ান নেভি, যে আমাদের নেভাল কমান্ডার আছে, এই নেভাল কমান্ডের ওপরেও কিন্তু আমাদের পায়রা বসে আছে, যে কিনা শান্তির প্রতীক।
So this is what shows a vision as a sense of peace, and this is the different forms of Indian defense forces. This is one part is the Indian Navy, who he says that the Indian Navy is there to defend India's border. The entire theme of the pandal at the moment is definitely the India's defense and India's strong sector in defending its nation. Indian Army's strong sector in defending its nation.
Hi Abhijita, Abhishek here. Hi Abhijita, can you listen me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You.
Yeah, Abhishek here.
Yeah. Carry on.
Yeah. Actually, this year our centenary year, so we have just projected our Indian national defense. Actually, our defense is for peace, for harmony. And whenever it is the question of a war, question of a Ashura, what we say in Bengali Ashura, our force is there to maintain the peace and harmony of the country and the world. If you consider the war in Bangladesh 1972, what is called as Mukti Juddho, our soldiers had fight for another nation. Whenever you thought for LTT in Sri Lanka, our defense is fight against them.
Abhishek, if you can just explain what we are seeing right now, what are these things right in front of us?
Yeah, actually, it's a total Agni missile. Agni missile is just has to be a launch, and it is a cloud busting from the Agni missile, and there is a Rafale which is called Garuda and Golden Arrow also. The Rafale is India's pride now. So that is came out from the cloud which has made from the Agni missile, and the white pigeons, the symbol of peace, are going out from the smoke of the missile. That means
Abhishek, you are showing us the Agni missile also as well as the Rafale. That is Puja Pandal. And Rafale, isn't it?
Yes.
So you have the both Agni and the Rafale you have created both Agni and the Rafale in the Pandal.
Yes.
Can you just take us to your idol?
Yeah, there is also INS Subhas. Whenever the Rafales touch the Indian sky, INS Subhas has given the message them, welcome to India. It is INS Subhas is India's pride, and a white pigeon also there on the top of the INS Subhas. That means all the arteries of military are made only to save our country, to fight for the peace, and to save our nation, not only nation, for the world. We are going to the Pandal, Pratima. And this is our idol.
So Abhishek, what is the speciality of this idol?
Yeah, actually we are comparing the peace and harmony with Gautam Buddha, and we are from the nation of Gautam Buddha. So it is just like him. Our Devi is also compared with Gautam Buddha for peace and harmony. And also we are comparing our Ma Durga with our soldiers, because Ma Durga always took her weapons for peace only, and our soldiers, both air force, military and navy, always taken their arms and for to maintain the peace and harmony only, and that is why our soldiers are the sign of the peace. It is not for to fight, not for to aggression.
Correct, absolutely, Abhishek. That you have done a very good job in explaining this, and you have this year you have dedicated this to the India's defense forces, India's military forces. That is one very big thing, because India is going through a very, very crucial period at this point of time, and the entire Pandal depicts, we have created that kind of a scenario. Thank you very much, Abhishek, for doing this, taking us on a wonderful tour of your Pandal. It's really looking very nice from outside, and it's really looking very nice. Can you just give us a long shot? Can you just give us a long view of your entire structure?
Yeah. Just give me a second, please. Yeah. Just turn around, Chipu. It's our total structure.
Yes. Very good. Excellent. We are also joined by Mazhabid Khalid, MP from Bangladesh, and we are also joined by Mr. Bala Murugan, Principal Chief Conservator, Forest, Government of West Bengal. Welcome, Mazhabid Khalid. Welcome, Mr. Bala Murugan, to ANM News and to Impact. Thank you very much. Thank you for a wonderful presentation. And really, I'm sure all of our guests around the world have definitely enjoyed this. Thank you very much, Abhishek. Now, if move on to our second Pandal, we have Santoshpur Lake Palli. Santoshpur Lake Palli is in South Kolkata. It's again a very big puja committee, and they also do a very good job over the years. So, can we have Santoshpur Lake Palli online?
Yes, hi. This is Abhijit from Santoshpur Lake Palli. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible. Carry on.
Yeah. Hi. Very warm welcome to all of you, although virtually. But okay, I'll just let you through the puja pandal as if you are physically visiting. Okay. So I'll just give you a shot of the pandal. Give me 1 minute. So this is our puja office. Okay. I hope the video is clear to everyone.
Yeah, we are clear.
Okay. So this is our puja office, and this is our main entrance gate. Okay. So I'll just take you through. So here you can see that we have kept some standardized masks and sanitizers and stuff, because like we are seeing that some visitors often forget to bring masks with them. So we are providing if anyone forgets to do that. So here you can see that this is our main entrance gate. There we have a thermal detector, as you will be seeing, and there's a sanitizer stand. So they will be asked to stand at certain distance, and then the thermal detector will detect the temperature. When it's green, then they will be entering the pandal. Okay. So, and here you can see that we have maintained that safe distancing signs here. Okay. So I'll just shortly explain that this is a road that it has been a part of our puja pandal for the last decade. But in our general meeting this year, we have excluded it because to provide a safe passage for ambulance or any emergency vehicle if required. For this year only, we have excluded this road. Otherwise, it has been a part of the puja pandal for the last decade. So now coming back to the subject of this, the theme of the pandal, the name will be the tears of the soil. Okay, so I'll quickly explain what it means. Like we have seen that due to the lockdown situation, and this is actually a story of like that depicts the critical situation of the potters colonies of our rural areas and villages, right? So when thing is like they start developing the idols very well in advance, like 6-7 months before the puja starts. Now due to this lockdown situation, there has been a shortened order, like they are not getting the orders both in volume and in the nature that they receive every year. So this year what happened is like due to this COVID situation, a lot of big puja pandals, they have cancelled their orders or they have shortened the volume of orders. As you all know, these idols even go to abroad. But this year we have seen very shortage of that kind of order this year. So all this, even some finished idols and some unfinished idols are there, which are just sitting there in our potters' houses and their workshop. So the thing is like, our artist, what he thought that if we can use all these idols in our pandal, so that we can, in two ways, we can help our potters in some ways, and then we can also showcase the crucial situation that they are going through at this moment. So here you can see like all the idols that have been ordered and got cancelled. So here I will show you some finished idols which in fact the order got cancelled for this. And here you can see like this is a potters colony, so they are also closely looking at the news, what is going on. And also COVID situation and Amphan, it affected them very badly. Even though we saw that it did not affect them with respect to the virus spreading, but in economically it was very severe. It was very severe that affected them. So now coming back to the main idol of our pandal. So this is our main idol of the pandal. I'll quickly just go brief you about this speciality of this idol. This idol is totally made of paper. Okay, there is not an inch of soil used in this. So the story behind this is the one artist in Potter's Colony. Sorry, was I getting any question?
Yeah, no, it's okay. So carry on.
Okay. So his idea was like he tried to make an idol with whatever available to him. Like in this case, he was seeing that all other artists who were making developing idols with soil are not getting to the pandals because of the COVID lockdown situations. Like there are few aspects because of which these orders were getting cancelled. Because suppose I am organizer of one colony puja pandal, and now there are few people affected by corona, so we're not doing the puja at all this year. So what we were doing is like, and there are not many people to carry the burden of the soil made idol. So what he thought that he can make a idol of paper which is very lightweight, right? That it can be carried by only 2 people.
So this
that is why
this idol is made of paper.
Yes, it is totally paper. I'll give you a close up of this. This is totally paper. 1 second.
Okay. So your Durga idol is completely made of paper.
Yes, and that is the reason behind his idea, that he made the idol with whatever was available to him, and so that he can get one club or one organizer to carry it very easily and to install them in their puja pandal.
Great. How long did it take you to construct this structure?
This idol took 2.5 months.
Okay.
2.5 months.
Okay.
And yes.
Yeah. What is the budget of your puja? This entire structure?
This idol or the entire puja?
Entire
puja, but it's 5.5 lakh.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Which includes all our social services as well. Yes. And the justification of our name is that even though you saw like so many idols which are made of soil, that they are not getting worship because they are not getting all the rituals that they deserve. That from where the name justifies that the tears of the soil, that even though we have installed some of them, but it's not possible for everyone to worship and by maintaining all the rituals for all of the idols. That is why the name comes from the tears of the soil.
Yes, absolutely. But you mean to say that during the COVID situation, the artisans did not find too many, so much of a puja committee that to really get the idols to those puja committees. So you have taken all the idols together to build up your structure. So
yes, whatever we could. Yes.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Santosh Lekpalli, for showing us for your wonderful presentation there. You take us through a beautiful kind of concept there. We move on to Damdam Park Tarun Sangh. Damdam Park Tarun Sangh, are you guys there?
Hello.
So yes, Damdam Park Tarun Sangh. We will request you to run you to the Damdam Park Tarun Sangh is near the Kolkata airport. Is on the northern fringes of the city. Puja Pandal. So I'll ask Damdam Park Tarun Sangh to run us through your Puja Pandal.
Hello everyone. This year we have been facing some really big challenges. These are things which we have never thought of before. Let me start you about the entrance.
Yes, we just saw your entrance. If you can put us in a landscape mode, we'll be in a better position. Yes, that is your entrance. Okay.
Yeah. Now I am entering the puja arena. We have maintained the social distance part so that there is less chance of
getting contaminated. This is our pandal. It's quite open and completely airy, so that people do not face any kind of claustrophobic. Now, coming to our theme this year our theme is, our artist is Mr. Porimal Pal, and his theme is Cholo Paltai, which comes, if I translate it to English, it comes to let's change ourselves. Let me start by asking everyone the same question, which has been asked everyone for last 6, maybe 7 months. Is the nature same thing which we have been giving him for last so many years? These are the questions faced by everyone. Hello, I'm audible?
Yeah, I can hear you. Carry on.
Okay, fine. Like Newton's third law, whatever we give to the nature, nature is giving back to us. For the last 7 months, we have been really facing huge challenges we have never dreamt of before. Initially, the corona effect, the COVID-19 issue, which is still continuing, followed by the destructive storm of Amphan, which has halted our daily life and normal life, day-to-day life. Everything has been under captive situation after the enforcement of the lockdown. We are entering the pandal and showing that everything has been put into captivity. The day-to-day life, normal life. We are facing through a gray period, a gray time. It's not white, it's not black, it's gray. If you see properly our pandal, you will see everything here is a very, very dull color, except few keys. Keys are, just wait.
So what are these that you're showing us? What are these things?
These are bamboo sticks.
Okay, and behind the bamboo sticks, what are these symbols?
These are artworks. These are artworks made on brown papers with charcoal. Everything is in a very dull color except the keys. The keys are keys of life. Nature has been giving us a lot of warnings for a very, very long time. We consider human beings, we consider ourselves as the superior race. And that's why we have been ignoring their warning of the nature. And we have been destroying the greenery part. We have been polluting the air, the water, everything, which we have got for free. We didn't value them. Now nature is giving everything back to us. It's taking a revenge. As if we need to change, otherwise we will perish. Nature is teaching us a lesson that if you don't change, this world belongs to not humans only. It belongs to everyone, every living creature in the world. And that's why, unless and until we change, we will perish. We have people everywhere are tensed, are worried. They are thinking that what period we are going through and what is lying in our future. That we have tried to depict by a symbolic picture, sculpture made by Auguste Rodin in France, the thinker. This is shown as a metaphor over here. For the last 7 months, all the doors and windows have been closed and we have been locked. We have been captivated inside our houses. But if we change, we need to change because nothing is going to stay like this. If so we need to stay.
What is can you take us to your Durga idol, please? Can you just take us to your Durga idol?
Yeah, I am taking you. Before that, I need to say, time has halted for us. The whole mankind, the progress of the mankind, it's halt. Only if we can take an initiative, an honest initiative, true to ourselves and worship the nature, then only the clock which has stopped, the progress of mankind which has stopped, it will start moving again. and we will see a bright future again by changing ourselves. That's what we are saying, that chalo paltai. Let's change ourselves. Let's be compassionate to the nature, Mother Nature. Now let me take you further forward. Here is the idol. We have shown the idol not as a goddess, but as a yogini. She is worshipping on behalf of us. She is giving us enlightenment, that rise that we have shown by the arrows which were below ground, and then afterwards with her blessings it will rise. So lifting our spirit, because we need to change, otherwise we will perish. That's what that message we want to give to everyone, to the entire mankind, that please change ourselves, change our habit, try to be compassionate with the nature. Then only we can survive, otherwise we will perish.
Great.
This is the rays of light. The light behind the idol is a ray of hope which our goddess is showing to us, giving us, that if we change, we will survive.
Absolutely, that was a very nice, and this is something completely different that you are seeing right here. Instead of regular goddess, we are seeing a different kind of idol, and of course a different kind of structure that he showed us.
These are made of brown paper and charcoal. The statues are made of earth. And everything else is bamboo and paper.
And how long did it take to build this pandal?
Hello, I can't hear you.
How long did it take to build this structure?
Hello.
How long did it take to build this structure?
It took us 2 months.
Thank you very much for your great thing.
Some music is coming, which because I can't hear you because some music is going on.
Thank you very much for your wonderful presentation and a very good job. We move on to the thanks a lot in your team, your great different concepts also. So move on to we have and there Tricon Park.
Hello.
Yes, Tricon Park.
Hello. I there's too much noise behind like not behind, but someone in the meeting is. Hello. We can hear you.
I can hear you. Yeah, you carry on. I can hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
You can carry on. I can hear you.
Hello.
Excuse me, can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave.
Can I leave?
No more, you can leave.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Santoshpur Tricon Park, are you there? So we move on to the next program, Damdam Park, Sarvajanin. Are you there? Damdam Park, Sarvajanin.
Hello, sir. Actually, there is too much of noise coming from, I guess.
Santoshpur Tricon Park, are you there? I can hear you. Carry on.
Vivekananda Park Athletic Club.
Whoever is coming from.
Hello. Hello.
We from Chicken Park. Well. Hello. Are you audible?
Yes, carry on. Santoshpur Chicken Park. Yeah, I can hear you. Carry on, please.
অভিজিৎ দা দমদম পার্ক সার্বজনীন
Hello.
1 second. Damdam Park Sarvojini. Can you just Santoshpur Chicken Park? Can you just carry on, please?
Yes, sir. Someone else was talking. That's right. Actually, we welcome everyone to Santoshpur Chicken Park this year. It has been a tough year for everyone. We really know because of everything, all the humanity has said. Still, all the struggle and everything we come through, we have tried to mesmerize people with our creation. We'll carry on to there.
Can you just explain this Santoshpur Chicken Park? Can you just explain
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting to it. Sir, actually, the concept this year is Abhash, which translates to the impression. As I was mentioning, we are trying to portray the struggle that we have all gone through throughout the year. So that is why, with struggle, we always had hope. Like all of humanity had hope that we'll one day come through. So that is why Abhash it gives impression that we will come through. That is why we are trying to portray a ray of light here. We are like petroleum drums, like oil tins and everything. Everything materials are hardcore materials which have many refinements, many layers of processing and everything. It has gone through a lot. Just like humanity has gone through a lot this year. We'll get into the insides of the pandal. Sir, as you can see, we have two entrances here, guiding by the government norms as the state government has mentioned to keep wide an entrance and have two entrances possible. We have made one of them the ramp for the specially able or disabled people and one which people so that people can get through in a hostel. We have always so this in our mind.
Santoshpur Chicken Park, we are getting a very your network is a little.
Santoshpur, what you are getting?
Santoshpur, yeah, we are little off the network. We'll try and connect to you a little later again. At the moment, we are getting a little hazy audio. We'll move on to the next pandal, Damdam Park Sarvojinin. Are you there, Damdam Park Sarvojinin?
Yes, sir. Damdam Park Sarvojinin is here. We are ready.
Yes, carry on.
Yeah, good evening to you all and very good শারদ শুভেচ্ছা সবাইকে আমাদের তরফ থেকে। আমাদের এন্ট্রান্সে আমি দেখাতে চাইছি একটা থিম নোট রয়েছে। আমাদের থিমের নাম এই বছর হচ্ছে বিনির্মাণ, deconstruction. Deconstruction is the theme for this year. This is the main entrance. We are entering into the pandal. You can see that we have written Binirman at the entrance by iron structure and covered up with the red thread. What we are saying is, in this pandemic situation and the situation we are facing everywhere, we are going through a very bad phase in our life, everyone. I'm audible, no, Vijit?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. So, in this situation, we don't want to give any specific message to anyone. What we are saying is, Durga Puja is Bengali.
Damdam Park Sarvajani's network has also this was as disconnected network. Now we move on to the next one. Kestopur Prafullo Kanon. Are you there? Kestopur Prafullo Kanon, the last puja in this group. Kestopur Prafullo Kanon.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
No, no, not you. You are not there. You are not now at the moment. Kestopur Prafullo Kanon, are you there? I'm not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I'm here. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you
So
are
this
audible.
is
Yeah, yeah.
Damdam
A very,
Park.
Damdam Park, you just wait on for a second. I'll just move on. We have moved on to Kestopur Prafullo Kanon and come back to you after this.
Okay.
Yes, carry on.
very good evening to the judges.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening.
Sir, I'll move on to uh, the social work we have done for this past 6 months. The total of with the total lockdown period. This is this is this is our social work. This we have done it COVID-19 treatment for the local people, providing food and treatment to street dog on lockdown period, relief distribution in the lockdown, then distribution of sanitization kit to the police, me media coverage of our awareness program, blood donation camp of the forum.
Now, if you can get across to your pandal, then we can see. Yeah, yeah. The main structure.
Yes, sir. As we enter,
Yeah.
sir, firstly, I want to show you a banner. This is from Aadhar Theke Alor Sondane. It means from darkness to light. Then at the entry, we have this goddess Durga. She is killing Corona with the help of our social workers like nurse, medical staff, doctors, police, social workers, sweeper, as you can see here.
Okay.
And now we are entering our main gate, and we have this is some structures of the migrant workers, as you can see.
These are migrant workers doing what? What are they doing there?
So, I'll get inside and tell you. This is just a portrait of that. Like this is a woman carrying a child on the suitcase. It was a news which came out.
Yes.
So we are entering now. So we have COVID-19 awareness at the entry gate. Like stay protected. Then we have no mask, no entry. It's totally like we are informing everyone. We have sanitizer here. When they enter, they have to like put on the sanitizer and enter the pandal. So our theme is totally based on migrant workers. Like migrant workers from different states. During this lockdown, they couldn't come to their home, so there we have put up a lot of installations back to their home in different ways. So we are entering right now.
This is which part? This is which part of the pandal?
This is the entry, sir.
Okay.
This is the entry, sir. We have this like a rail gate, which is we are showing. This is a rail gate. So we tell our visitors to stop here Then when the crowd inside is minimum, so we let them again enter the pandal. So at first, at the right, we have we have installed a truck. Uh, During the COVID period, there was news that people were from other states to other states in trucks. So you can see here, sir.
So the entire concept is on migrant workers and how they are traveling from one place to another during the COVID situation in such vehicles like trucks and whichever vehicles that they can lay their hands on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the first installation. Now I'm moving on to the second. So you can see which we saw outside the structure. This is the structure actual. The woman carrying her child on a suitcase. She was walking and a child was sleeping on the suitcase. These are the migrant workers who were returning home, walking. And we have another installation here, sir, that there was a girl who rode her bicycle 1300 kilometers to bring up father back from one state to another. You can see, sir, the cycle, the wheel is rolling. As you can see, I'll move closer. You can see there, sir. Is that visible?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh. Now there's another installation here, sir, model, sir. A woman carrying her child on her hand and walking. There is another installation here, sir. People sleeping on the rail tracks. Like they were tired and they were sleeping. These pictures also came out, sir. All the pictures came out in the social media. We have again put it up here in our pandal. Now we have, sir, the main attraction we have only when the public transport, when it was closed, like it was not open for the public, only the cargo rail was open. So this is a cargo rail, sir. It's movable. It's moving to and fro, sir. You can see here.
And this train is moving.
Train is moving, sir. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you hear the sound, sir?
Yes, we can hear the sound. That's amazing. That's very nice.
I'll go at the front of the train and I'll show you. It is moving to and fro. It will move 24 hours to and fro like this, sir.
Okay. So this is some kind of a railway station or a railway yard.
It's a special attraction. It's a special attraction, sir. And we have you can see here, sir, we have train signals also, just like as the Indian Railways. You can see, sir. These are the train signals. So we come to our next installation here, sir. In the state of West Bengal, in Purulia, when some people were found COVID positive, their family abandoned them and told them not to enter their home. So they built a house tree and they were keeping themselves quarantined there.
Yes,
you
built a tree house there.
A tree house there, sir. And you can see, sir, the food. This is the tiffin carrier, the food carrier, which was passed by a woman to them. She's holding a tiffin carrier. and she has passed it on to the people up there. Now we move on to our next installment. This is a cement truck. This was
the freeze froze, but he showed us
the truck and
okay, come back.
This you can see, sir, the man inside the roller is coming out. This man is also coming out. He came out actually.
So this is again the COVID period, how people traveled in trucks. That's what you're trying to show here.
Yes, sir, inside the truck. So they were not having any transportation, so this was their only last option.
Great.
This is the truck, sir.
Okay.
You can see here migrant workers again walking on the rail tracks.
So this is all about those migrant workers and all. So
our team is totally based on migrant workers, sir.
Absolutely. Now, can you take us towards your main pandal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And there's an engine again installed here on the rail tracks. And we have also here, sir, a hospital. You can see here, like the migrant workers who were.
They seem to have built a complete small township there. You seem to have built a complete township in that small area of yours.
Yes, sir. Every installation, we have around 8 installations of different sectors.
How long did it take to build this?
Sir, we took 26 days to build this. Just after our CM declared that the Durga Puja will happen.
Okay.
And sir, there is the last one here. This is a very attractive thing, like a very famous Bollywood actor, Sonu Sood, who helped lakhs of workers, students, and everyone to he managed everyone transportation free of cost and their food. So this man is praising Sonu Sood that thank you for helping us. As you can see, everyone is in distance and one by one they are entering the bus.
Okay. So now, can you now move?
And sir, there is a tree which has no leaves, all full of hands, praising Sonu Sood and praying for his good life, saying him thank you for what he has done for them.
I understand.
Now we move on to our pandal, our main goddess area. This is our goddess area, sir.
Okay. So your entire team is based on the migrant workers, which you have, whatever has happened over the period of time, you have very nicely depicted them and you have very nicely showed them. And the entire pandal is based out of that concept. And you've really done a very good job. It's a very different kind of concept that you have showed us as you moved along. The migrant workers concept is a very different concept, absolutely. So that brings us literally to the end of the first round. We have only Damdam Park Sarvajanin to finish off their presentation. Damdam Park Sarvajanin, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
If you can just finish up your presentation, wherein just your network got...
Yes, sir. I'm just entering the pandal. You can see the structure on the both
Yeah.
sides. It doesn't have any special shape or size. It is, we are saying that our pandal theme is Binirman, deconstruction. That every alternate time in this specific time which we are facing through, we have faced so much of trouble that every construction has been stopped. So we have to start from the beginning where it is stopped. So you can see everything is haywire. Where it is stopped, we have to start from that time, that period. That again, it is to be normal. And while entering, it's only for our judges, like our tradition that our ladies, they borrow their guests in our pandal. It is for them, for the judges who are coming for judgment from entire world. This is our culture, Bengali culture. When you come to our house, this is the way we,
Welcome people.
That's true. That's true. That is how we welcome our guests in our home, and we believe that Pandal, the Durga Ma's Pandal, is our home only, because Durga Ma is only not only our mother, it's mother for every Bengali here. So this is the main structure. I'm just showing you the structure again from the beginning. This is the entry point. Now we are entering the main phase. This is the main structure of our pandal. Here we are used a lot of saris which have been provided by the ma and sisters, mothers and sisters of our locality only. So we are saying one tagline that Parar Mayer Shari, Durga Mayer Bari. That is how we made our main structure of the pandal. We don't say anything. We are not saying any specific message through our theme, because people are already suffering. So we don't want to suffer them more. So we have made a structure which is sometime geometric, sometime non-geometric. So we are saying that Durga Ma is in our mind. Durga Ma is always in our mind in all Bengalis. So they can relate with Durga Ma and they can relate with Durga Pandal, Durga Ma's Pandal, like as it is. They can think, whichever way they think, they can use this pandal as. So আমরা বলছি যে আমরা আমাদের মননে যেহেতু দুর্গা মা আছেন, সেই মননের থেকে মানুষ নিজেদের মতো করে আমাদের প্যান্ডেলের স্ট্রাকচারকে ধরে নেবেন। এর মধ্যে কোনো স্পেসিফিক বিনির্মাণের মধ্যে কোনো স্পেসিফিক মেসেজ নেই। যে যার মতো করে ভাববেন সেইভাবেই।
What is the material that you have used? What are these entire concepts and structures made of? What is the material that you have used?
It's mainly bamboo, some tape, some cloth, and mainly some portion is made of iron structures. Like the balls you are saying, it's made of iron structure. And this entire structure is made by bamboo and cloth.
Bamboo and cloth?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I can show you. I'm going closer. It is completely made by bamboo structure and covered up with the cloths. The saris given by the mothers and sisters of our locality. Because we have spent a hell amount of our budget to our social work this year, because we thought this is more important than making a big budget pandal this year. To stand by the people who are suffering was more important to us. So we kept this concept and we have made this structure where only bamboo. Now I am entering into the idol space where you can see the idol only. I'm going closer to the idol. This is the idol, sir.
Okay, but what is this main idol depicts? I mean, what kind of what do this signify? This idol?
This idol, you can see she is just Matri Pratima, very soft spoken. Like you can see her face that আমাদের যেরকম দুর্গা মায়ের একটা রাগান্বিত মূর্তি থাকে, আমরা সেরকম নয়, আমরা খুব শান্ত মাকে দেখাতে চাইছি যে এই পরিস্থিতি থেকে আমাদের উদ্ধার করবেন, সেই শান্ত মাকেই আমরা আমাদের এখানে রূপ দিয়েছি।
Okay. Great. That is fantastic. So that is really very good. Thank you very much, Damdam Park Sarvajanil, for showcasing such a wonderful, taking us through such a wonderful concept. Your again concept of bamboo really personally struck me, and it made a very simple yet as you have moved to this aura. Whatever a situation is at the moment, whatever you're facing all around, you have your pandal depicts that kind of a scenario. Thank you very much, Damdam Park Sarvajanil, for your wonderful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all the judges for keeping patience to see our pandal, and শারদীয়ার শুভেচ্ছা সবাইকে আমাদের দমদম পার্ক সার্বজনীনের তরফ থেকে।
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Your lighting section has also been very nice, and to create such a concept with only bamboo and cloth is also very amazing. That's simply amazing to create such a wonderful scenario with only bamboo and cloth. That is absolutely amazing. That's very nice, Damdam Park Sarvajanil. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Abhijit Da. Thank you very much, all the judges.
So we come to the end of our first. This is the first round.
Hello, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
1 second. We'll continue with Bala Murugan. Mr. Bala Murugan will also have Durga Khaitan with us. We'll also request Marvin Alexander to stay along with us for the second session, which will have another very 5 good pujas. Sonia Virdi, thank you very much for joining us. We could have a small little word from Mr. Marvin Alexander, because this is his first experience here, and also a small little word from Sonia Virdi about her experience so far away from Kenya. So we give the guests a first chance. So we'll ask Sonia Virdi to for your reaction, of course, from as far as in Kenya. Sonia, what you just saw, what is your reaction to it? Sonia, you just need to unmute your mic.
Hello, sir. Hello, am I intruding?
Hello, sir.
Sonia,
Sorry to interrupt you.
There you go.
Hello,
there
sir.
you go.
Yeah, Sonia, we can hear you. Carry on.
Okay, I am actually gobsmacked with the effort that everybody has put into celebrating actually Durga Puja, and I can only tell you that today we are celebrating Shujaa Day. It's a public holiday in Kenya, which means basically Heroes Day. It's Heroes Day we're celebrating today, and I am just so pleased to be with people around the world at this point in time, feasting our eyes and feasting our whole intuition and consciousness with the presence and prayer in this Durga Puja that you have given us. And I'm thankful to you, Abhijit ji, and ANM Media for giving us ये दर्शन दुर्गा पूजा के यहाँ बैठे बिठाए केन्या में। मैं आपकी बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ, बहुत भारी हूँ, और मैं ये कहूँगी, of course I'm not in a position to say what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I am very pleased that I have sat here in Kenya, but my eyes have feasted on Mata Durga's puja, and I feel blessed. So thank you very much.
Absolutely, thank you, Sonia ji. We'll move on to the next session, and between we'll have start off with Mastata Siti Sangha from Kistapur.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello, sir.
I'm sorry to be interrupting, sir. Actually, sir, I am from Santeshpur Trikon Park. Actually, our call got disconnected in between due to some network issue.
We will come back to you, Santeshpur Trikon Park. We'll come back to you. We'll let you know.
Okay, thank.
Mastata Siti Sangha, Tirupa Chaudhary, are you there? Satarupa
Excuse
Chaudhary.
me, sir.
Satarupa Chaudhary, are you there?
Excuse me, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Satarupa
Hello,
Chaudhary,
sir.
you carry on. Satarupa Chaudhary from Masterda City Shop.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So wait a minute. I'm come. Hello, sir. Now
Yeah, I
am I
can hear
audible?
you. Yeah, you are audible, but I can't see your video.
Yes, sir. So,
We will come back. Yeah, Masterda City Shango, can just carry on.
yeah, so this is our pandal. So first, I will take you to the entrance. On the entrance, we have kept according to the COVID measures, we have kept the chemicals, the face shield, and we are also supplying masks and PP dresses. Here is the mask, sir. Here is the PP dress. So these are the chemicals, and we have also kept extinguishers, fire extinguishers for the safety issues, and wheelchairs for the senior citizens. So there are two installations before the entry and exit of Pandal. This installation is made of bamboo and wrapped by saris with wooden sculptures on it. So let me take you to the entrance. So we have kept a sanitization filter so that people can enter and get inside the pandal. So as you can see, all of these materials of these pandals are handmade. So as we all know that in this COVID-19 situation, the financial status of the rural craftsmen from various parts of the of West Bengal have got down. So this year our main motive was not only to celebrate Puja, but also we decided to stand beside the rural craftsmen, and we have also went to places like Mednipur, from where we have got the Potachitro.
They offered my brother and
We went to Katwa, from where we have got the wooden sculptures, and so we have went to Malda. As you can see, sir, that from Malda we have got the bamboo craft sculptures. As you can see, sir, that the bamboos are crafted here. We have put Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. What are the structure made of? Are these only bamboos?
So these are all handmade materials. There is Shital Pati. Actually, those are mats which are hand woven. These are known as Jamdani Shital Pati, which have been taken from Kibirpur area. And then we have also used Potachitro. We have also kept diyas, bamboo sculptures, and as you can see, the birds which are made of thermocol, which are from the North 24 Parganas. So now we will take you towards the sculpture. The sculpture have taken the form of a Potachitro. As you can see, the circular background. Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, absolutely, I can see you. So what is the sense of this idol? This is a very different kind of idol that I'm seeing here.
Yeah, sir. It is showing that Mukti is Mukti. Our theme is Mukti or Mukti Kothay Pabi. That is moksha. So from this, we have, as you can see, that we have put some lamps. So we have put light on the sculpture because we are representing Ma Durga as the light the light who will actually give us moksha from this COVID-19 situation. So,
Okay, okay. So from the pandal, if you can show us outside, yeah, that is what we wanted to see. Yes.
yes, sir, this is the entire thing. So, and so, as you can see, the painted, large painted artworks. So each of these are called photochitro. So each of the photochitros are actually depicting stories from the Mahalaya.
Okay. So each of these places have stories from the Mahalaya, each of those ones.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So can I explain these stories, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. So here is the story starts from here. So Mahishasur prayed to Brahma, Vishnu, and Lord Shiva for 10,000 years, and after that, Brahma granted his wish that no one can defeat him, no man in this world can defeat him except women. So, after that, Mahishasur fought with the Lord, God and Lord, and defeated them in a war, and then after the war, the Lord went to Lord Vishnu, Brahma, and Mahadev and prayed for their safety and getting back their kingdom.
So this is you have put an entire history of there in that pandal. In that
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have. Yes, sir. So then.
Very good. Yeah, we can see it. We can see it.
There is another photochitro.
Okay, so tell me one thing. How long did it take to build this structure up?
So within 26 days.
26 days. Okay, so you did it at the very last moment. And what was the budget of this puja pandal?
So 7 lakhs.
Fantastic. Very good. Very good. Shatarupa, you have done a wonderful presentation. Thank you very much for taking us.
Thank you, sir. It's a very pleasure for me.
It was very well explained, and you have run us through your beautiful, very different kind of a concept structure that you have built up. It's so unfortunate that after the pujas are over, we have to dismantle the entire structure, which I find it very unfortunate. You have taken so much of an pain, so much of an effort to build this up. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. So we move on to the next pandal. We'll ask Chakravarya Sarvajanin to Mr. Sarkar, go ahead.
Yes, sir. First of all, namaste to all the dignitaries, judges, and Abhijitda, to you also, and wish you all a happy Sarodiya on behalf of Chakravarya Sarvajanin Durgotsav Committee. I would take the privilege to just have you around the concept and the pujas, this time on this pandemic situations, and a message we want to pass on to the society and globally, so that we can reach through you all the message which we can in this pandemic situation. So shall I have the privilege just to
carry on?
Thank you, sir. So this is our way from where the main entrance, main road, and slowly we move out to our first aid area, where we are providing the mask and the preliminary medicines, and at the same time the sanitization is also there. Sanitizer machines are also out here. And at the same time, now I take you slowly towards the main entrance of the Puja Pandal, and outside the Puja Pandal, we have already installed a display TV out, so that the people who cannot enter the Puja Mandap for this COVID situation, they can enjoy virtually out. These are the fire first aid, fire extinguishers. This is our main theme in our Bengali language, where we have written few lines to just make the people understand what we are intended to show through this art of creation this time in this pandemic situation, and the message we want to pass out. Now slowly I would take you inside the Puja Mandap. Now let me just be precise, brief you with our theme. This year we are on the 75th year of Puja organization celebration this time, and our theme this time is Bhanga Godar Khela, which means that there is after every destruction there is a new creation. Our life or the world does not stand still after a destruction. Again there is a new horizon, new sunrise, and a new hope we start off with. And as you can see, we have at the entrance, we have kept the security guards to take this precautions. They have the sanitizers in their hand. Once we enter the Puja Pandal, they will sanitize you with your hands. And the next, we have the facility of a thermal gun, where the body temperature is measured, and if you are having a normal body temperature, then only we allow the people to enter our Puja Mandap. This is, as you can see, the Bhanga Godar Khela. In a very simplified way, we want to say that we had a plan to just create an imagination of the 75th year celebration, but unfortunately to all of us and mankind, we were being surrounded by this disastrous COVID-19 situation. And once we thought that we won't be able to worship our deity Ma Durga this time. But as in time and passed by, we didn't stop creating ourselves through our thoughts. And at a fine moment when we were almost in our creative version of our deity, of giving her the warm celebration, we were again hit by the disastrous cyclone that was Amphan, where our total imagination and creation was destructed and fragmented into pieces.
Timir, what are these materials made of? Timir, what are these materials made of?
Sir, the total entire Puja Mandap is made of bamboo and the bamboo residues. All the things are the bamboo byproducts, bamboo, then the straw and dorma, what we can say, and plywood, and some wood is also implemented out here, and all hand paintings are being done. Mostly we have tried to picturize the destruction part, and now slowly I would take the privilege to show you the Mother God Durga, which we have bought in the pot through Photochitra.
Why is it in the pot?
So why we did it in the pot? As in our Bengali ritual, that when we celebrate, when we worship Ma Durga, we generally have the Ghat Sthapana. We place the Ghat where the main puja is being done with the Ghat. But facing those Amphan situation and destruction, we were totally distracted and mentally disturbed, and we left a hope of again celebrating this time, that we were unable to bring Ma Durga this time for worship. So we decided that once, if we are unable to bring Ma Durga in Ghat, then we will be bringing her back in pot. anyhow, we need to worship Ma Durga under any circumstances, because a lot of emotions and sentiments are there, and we believe that once Ma comes around us, we all, the whole mankind, the whole human mankind will be out. They will be blessed, and they will be away from this destruction of COVID.
Oh, that is the reason why you have it in pot. So
Absolutely.
Your entire this thing is we have been struck by COVID and Amphan. But then beyond that, we are trying to recover and we are trying to come back. We are trying to stage a comeback, and this is how once we are absolutely down, but we are not out, we are going to come back again. That's what your main theme is, isn't it?
Absolutely, sir. That destruction is not the end of our life, because after every destruction, there is a new hope of assimilating yourself and try to again regain and give a new start to your life. So through this, we have simplified ourselves. We didn't made so much of lighting or this thing in our pandal, as you can see, because the destruction part and the portions which we have tried to reflect out through our work of creation and imagination. We want to say that this long 6 months of phase in human mindset is also being destructed very badly, because in these COVID situations, many of them have lost their jobs, many have lost their near and dear ones. So a man in general have totally lost the mental balance by him. So through this puja, through this celebration of Ma, we want just the mankind to come out of that stress and again to start off the life once again in a new manner, to fight against the COVID and again stand up to lead a normal life.
Absolutely. So you are saying that there's a hope at the end of the tunnel. Thank you very much, Timi, for your wonderful presentation of Chakravarti Sarvajanin, one of the very, very old and one of the most respected puja committees in in Kolkata, rather. And I'm sure all our judges, including Durga Khaitan, who we are very thankful to Durga Khaitan for being with us, because she just had a surgery in the morning, and she's Secretary of the West Bengal Legal Aid Services, and she is with us today. So thank you very much, Timi. So we move on to our next partner, Arjunpur.
Thank you.
Arjunpur Amra Sabai. Arjunpur Amra Sabai. Are you there, Arjunpur Amra Sabai?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Arjunpur.
Yes. This time we are presenting the theme Kal Chakra before you. So to start with, this is the full view of our panel, if you can see. And these are the upper parts. They are beautifully designed. And there is a wheel type of thing which is rotating. And there are proper people who are there with sanitizers and everything. And this is the entry part, and here we are having sanitization 24/7. The sanitizer in liquid form, it is there out so that people are sanitized, and then we move into the panel. This part is made up of glass thing, and as we know that we are facing this in this pandemic time, we all are locked in our homes and we can't go out and enjoy the beautiful Kolkata in the times of Durga Puja. So we all believe that after the Durga Puja, Mother Durga will bless us again with the life we used to lead, and we can get back to our normal lives very soon. And so we are presenting this thing that there is a wheel at the back of Ma Durga that is rotating. Like as Ma Durga is considered as victory of Durga Puja, rather is considered as victory of good over evil, we think that in this hard times, by worshipping Ma Durga, we can, she will bless us with the normal life and set us free from this COVID-19 pandemic.
So what are the materials that have been used in your in the
The actual structure which is there, that is made up of steel, and mud is also used. And then these parts, they are made up of glass. If you can see, they are made up of glass. And up we have many things, and these we have used cotton.
Okay.
Now we move on to the next part of our pandal. In this part, we are having some unique parts. These part is also made up of glass. For fire safety, we are having fire extinguishers, and we are using sanitizers in the floors so that there is proper sanitization, and the pandal is also sanitized at regular intervals.
So your idol is a little different from the other from the traditional idol. So what is the basic of this? What did you want to depict from this this
is
idol?
That we believe that in this times of this pandemic, people are facing a lot of hardships and suffering. So we all are hoping that Ma Durga will save us from this pandemic pandemic situation, and gift us our normal life. And that is what our idol this time is depicting.
Oh. So your entire pandal is built up of glass structure, and the rays, the background, the wheel, which shows that it's a ray of hope that we want to ensure that we again go into a better situation post-pandemic. That is what you are, your entire essence, that your entire theme is all about, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. You've done, yeah, that's a wonderful presentation. It's very different from what we have seen so far, Mousumi, and you have really, I mean, you have done a lot of innovation there. That I can figure out from whatever we can see on our.
Thank you so much. We are blessed.
Absolutely, and thank you for your wonderful presentation, Arjunpur Amra Sabai. This has been a comparatively new club, but they have been doing very well for the last few years. Thank you, Mousumi, for the wonderful presentation.
Thank you, sir. Have a happy Durga Puja.
Thank you. Now we move on to Belegata 33 Palli, Belegata 33 Palli, Pallivasi Brinda Club. Belegata 33 Palli, are you there? Belegata 33 Palli, can you hear me? I can see their screen, but I don't think they can hear us. So we move on to Vivekananda Park Athletic Club, Haridevpur. Or okay, Belegata 33 Palli has come on. So Belegata 33 Palli, can you hear me? Belegata 33 Palli, can you hear me? Belegata 33 Palli, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. This is Parimalji speaking, sir.
Yeah. Carry on.
Sir, this time, good evening, you and your entire judges team, sir. And I'm not just showing you before I enter this is the pandal, you can see. I just, before the pandal showing, this is the medical camp that we have done. When police posting, everything is done, sir. The medical treatment, everything is there. Sister is there, doctor is there. Now, sir, I am going to the pandal. This is the state view, sir. I am just crossing the road and going to the pandal. This time our theme is Sajon. You know, any festival is going on in West Bengal. There's a lots of people behind that. That we are called Sajon, like the Balloon Ola, Puchka Ola, Mela Ola, and those who are carrying their goods and going here and there by walking. They do not have any government recognition. So that is the symbol, sir. The lake that we are denomination is here. That this thing they are carrying all the goods from here and there when any festival is going on. This time our tagline is that no alambag, amra manobikota pujo chai. So that's why this is all we bring all the fair festive season here. There is a fair atmosphere we have created here. But people coming all over the West Bengal to come here for 20 days. they are not selling any product here, sir. You know that this is a restriction of the government of West Bengal. Here cannot be done. But we bring them all over the West Bengal to bring in here to make a fair culture. And for the 20 days, they will provide them all the foods, everything.
Yeah, but tell me one thing: do you allow them to sell their products? Belegara 33 Purli, your network seem to have a little. You seem to have a little problem with your network, but can you hear me now? Belegara 33 Purli, can you hear me now? I think they have some.
And the card.
Yeah, I can hear you. Belegara 33 Purli, can you hear me now? They have some problem with the network, so we move on to Vivekananda Park Sporting Club, Haridepur. Vivekananda Sporting Club, Haridepur. If you can hear me, you can start your presentation now.
Sir, Vivekananda Park Athletic Club.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, Vivekananda Park Athletic Club, Haridepur.
Right. If you can start.
Sir, I can speak in Bengali language.
Yes, you can.
You can. Sir, Vivekananda Park Athletic Club, Haridepur. আমি তন্ময় দত্ত বলছি, ওয়ার্কিং প্রেসিডেন্ট। তো স্যার এই বছরে আমাদের বিবেকানন্দ পার্ক অ্যাথলেটিক ক্লাবের গোল্ডেন জুবলি ইয়ার সুবর্ণ জয়ন্তী বর্ষ 2020-তে। কিন্তু স্যার এই সিচুয়েশনে, এই যে মারাত্মক যে সিচুয়েশন, সেই সিচুয়েশনে আমরা এইটাকে কামিং ইয়ারের জন্য স্যার পোস্টপোন করে রাখলাম। কিন্তু স্যার আমাদেরকে দুর্গাপুজো করতে হবে। আমাদের যে পরম্পরা বাঙালির খুঁটি পুজো, সেই খুঁটি পুজোতে আমরা খুঁটি পুজো না করে কোভিড পেশেন্টের জন্য ক্লাবের তরফ থেকে একদম একটা অ্যাম্বুলেন্স আইসিসিইউ ভেন্টিলেটর ইউনিট আমরা অঞ্চলের পরিষেবার জন্য ক্লাবের তরফ থেকে এটা গিফট করেছি, যাতে কোভিড পেশেন্টদের কোনো প্রবলেম না হয়। তো স্যার এর যেদিনকে আমরা এই গিফটের কাজটা করেছিলাম খুঁটি পুজোতে, সেদিনকে স্যার আমাদের যে সমস্ত পেপার থেকে একটা কভারেজ করেছিল, তার পেপার কাটিং এখন আপনাকে দেখানো হচ্ছে। বর্তমান, প্রতিদিন, আনন্দবাজার, এখান আজকাল, এই সমস্ত পেপার।
আপনি একটু না এটাকে একটু তন্ময়বাবু একটু ল্যান্ডস্কেপ মোডে নিয়ে যান। ল্যান্ডস্কেপ মোডে না হলে পরে
ল্যান্ডস্কেপ মোডে হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওকে
হ্যাঁ এবার ঠিক আছে। এবার আপনি
ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ এবার ঠিক আছে। এবার আপনি প্যান্ডেলের ভেতরের দিকে যান, প্যান্ডেলটাকে একটু দেখান।
অবশ্যই চলো। এখানে স্যার এবছর আমাদের যে থিম, সেই থিমটার নাম হচ্ছে স্যার সংকল্প, দ্যাট ইজ ইংলিশে যেটাকে বলা হচ্ছে রেজলিউশন। এবার সেফটি অ্যান্ড সিকিউরিটির জন্য এখানে স্যার অ্যাম্বুলেন্স, যেটা আমরা কোভিড পেশেন্টদের জন্য করেছি, সঙ্গে স্যানিটাইজারের ব্যবস্থা, অক্সিজেন সিলিন্ডার, নার্স 24 আওয়ার্স, এখানে স্যার থার্মাল গানিং নিয়ে সিকিউরিটি রয়েছে। দেন আমরা আস্তে আস্তে প্যান্ডেলের দিকে যাচ্ছি। এখানে আমাদের যে থিম সংকল্প, সেই সংকল্পে আমরা এখানে কাট আউট গুলো রেখেছি। এই কাট আউটে বলা হয়েছে যে অতিমারির বাঁধন ছিঁড়ে এক সুস্থ পৃথিবী গড়ার সংকল্প। দেন পরেরটা রয়েছে দেখুন, এই পরিস্থিতিতে মাস্ক পরে রাখার সংকল্প। দেন রয়েছে সময় সময় হাত স্যানিটাইজার করার সংকল্প। দেন রয়েছে নির্দিষ্ট দূরত্ব বজায় রাখার সংকল্প। দেন রয়েছে এবারে দেবী আরাধনা, বর্তমান অতিমারির বাঁধন ছিঁড়ে এক সুস্থ পৃথিবী গড়ার সংকল্প। এই সমস্ত ব্যাপারটা আমাদের প্রেজেন্টেশন করেছে আমাদের শিল্পী, নামকরা শিল্পী শ্রী সুশান্ত পাল। সেই সুশান্ত পাল আমাদের ক্লাবের সঙ্গে কোলাবোরেশনে আমাদের এই সংকল্প কামিং 1 বছর যাতে আমরা কোভিড পেশেন্টদের সঙ্গে থাকতে পারি। দেন এখানে আপনাকে প্রেজেন্টেশন দেখানো হচ্ছে যে টাচলেস স্যানিটাইজার। দেন আস্তে আস্তে আমাদের টোটাল প্যান্ডেলের ভিউ আপনাকে দেখাচ্ছি। এই টোটাল প্যান্ডেলের ভিউ, এই টোটাল প্যান্ডেলটা করা হয়েছে, যে ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট ইউজ করা হয়েছে সেটা হচ্ছে বাঁশ, দড়ি, কাপড়, এছাড়া স্যার কিছু নেই। বাঁশ, দড়ি, কাপড়, এইটাই হচ্ছে আমাদের প্যান্ডেলের সমস্ত ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট। এই দিয়ে আমাদের টোটাল প্যান্ডেলটা কমপ্লিট করা হয়েছে। দেন আমরা আস্তে আস্তে আপনাকে টোটাল প্যান্ডেলের ভিউটা দেখাচ্ছি। এখানে টোটাল যে ভিউটা আমরা এখানে দেখাতে চেয়েছি, সেটা হচ্ছে যে মণ্ডপে অধিষ্ঠিত মায়ের রাঙা চরণ আলোয় রাঙা হয়েছে মণ্ডপ, যে রক্তিম আলোয় মায়ের শক্তি রূপ উদ্ভাসিত হয়েছে। এই উদ্ভাসিত হয়েছে মাতৃ আশীর্বাদে শঙ্কামুক্ত ভাবি কালের জন্য। এখানে আর একটুখানি আমি আপনাকে দেখিয়ে নিই, ফায়ার এক্সটিংগুইশের ব্যবস্থা আমরা এখানে টোটালি কমপ্লিট করে রেখেছি। দেন হচ্ছে আমরা টোটাল ওপেন স্পেস প্যান্ডেল করেছি, এই ওপেন স্পেসেতে যাতে পাবলিকের কোনো অসুবিধা না হয়। দেন আস্তে আস্তে আমরা প্যান্ডেলের কাছে চলে এসেছি। সেই প্যান্ডেলেতে আপনাকে দেখানো হচ্ছে যে সমস্ত ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট আমরা ইউজ করেছি, সেই ইনস্ট্রুমেন্টের ব্যাপারগুলো আস্তে আস্তে প্যান্ডেলটাকে ক্লোজ করে দেখানো হচ্ছে। এবং আপনি দেখতে পাবেন টোটাল প্যান্ডেলটা লাল টাইপের ব্যাপারটা দাঁড়াচ্ছে, লাল উদ্ভাসিত হচ্ছে শক্তি রূপ, যাতে এই মায়ের এই লাল উদ্ভাসিত শক্তি রূপ থেকে করোনা ভাইরাস যাতে টোটালটাই মুক্ত হয়ে যেতে পারে। এবং আগামী বছর যারা আমরা প্রাণ ভরে নিঃশ্বাস নিয়ে আবার আমাদের বাঙালির যে ঐতিহ্য পরম্পরা, সেই ঐতিহ্য পরম্পরা সেই শিল্পকে আমরা তুলে ধরতে পারি, এইটাই হচ্ছে আমাদের সংকল্প। এই টোটাল ব্যাপারটাই শিল্পী সুশান্ত পালের ক্রিয়েটিভিশনে হয়েছে। এবং আপনি এখন দেখতে পাচ্ছেন মাতৃরূপ মা কত শান্তভাবে আস্তে আস্তে করে এগিয়ে এসেছে। সেই শান্ত এগিয়ে আসার দরুন এই ব্যাপারটা দাঁড়াচ্ছে যে আমরা মায়ের রাঙা চরণ থেকে আলো উদ্ভাসিত হয়ে সেটাকে আমরা পরিস্ফুট করে তুলতে চাইছি, যে আগামী বছর যেন আমরা দূষণ মুক্ত, ভাইরাস মুক্ত একটা সুস্থ জীবন তৈরি করতে পারি। আর এখানে যে সমস্ত গ্যাপিং গুলো রয়েছে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, যে প্যান্ডেলে যে গ্যাপিং গুলো আছে, সেই গ্যাপিং গুলোতে আমরা বলতে চাইছি যে লাস্ট 5 মাস 6 মাস ধরে আমরা কেমন যেন একটা আবদ্ধ হয়ে গেছিলাম। সেই আবদ্ধর মধ্যে থেকে আমরা একে অপরের সঙ্গে সংযুক্ত হওয়ার চেষ্টা করেছি, কিন্তু করোনা ভাইরাস সেটা আমাদের করতে দেয়, যার ফলে আমরা সমস্তটাই আস্তে আস্তে করে যে আবার যাতে আমরা এগিয়ে আসতে পারি, একটা দূষণ মুক্ত ভাইরাস মুক্ত পৃথিবী তৈরি করতে পারি, সেইটাই আমাদের সংকল্প, রেজলিউশন। স্যার
বাহ, খুব সুন্দর বলেছেন এবং অসাধারণ ডেসক্রাইব করেছেন। প্যান্ডেলটা সত্যি খুব একদম অন্যরকম এবং খুব ভালো লাগছে দেখতে, এবং লালের ওপর সুন্দরভাবে অনেকটা জায়গা নিয়ে, অনেকটা স্পেস নিয়ে প্যান্ডেলটা করা হয়েছে, দেখতে ভালো লাগছে। অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ অ্যাথলেটিক ক্লাব হরিদেবপুর, আপনাদের অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, আপনারা ভালো থাকবেন, আশা করছি এই ভালো থাকার চেষ্টা করবেন।
অ্যাবসলিউটলি। আমরা
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
সন্তোষপুর ত্রিকোণ পার্ক, ওদের মাঝখানে নেটওয়ার্ক চলে গেছিল। সন্তোষপুর ত্রিকোণ পার্ককে অনুরোধ করবো। হ্যাঁ, yes, I can hear you. Carry on.
Yes. Sir, first of all, sorry for the disturbance that happened last time. So,
no problem. You start off from where you left. You just start off from where you have left off.
Okay, so this is the facade of the pandal, and we are slowly moving on towards the entrance. So this year we have kept the pandal only the place where the city is there. That's the floor, and the rest of the area. Whatever difficulties we have been through for these last few months, not the oil, food, and many people have committed suicide or died because of these sufferings, because of this shortcoming. So it is a code to all people.
Can you please go inside
and today we upheld their spirit, their integrity in our pandal.
Can you just go inside
Sir,
towards
I
the
will
main?
just show you the another entrance of our pandal. As you can see, this is a slope. So we have made this keeping in mind the needs of the physically challenged and the elderly. So
Can
now,
you,
sir, we move on. So we move on towards the main part where we have our deity. So, sir, this entire area is laden with diyas, which is like a glimmer of hope in this troubling time. And, sir, as you can see, this is our deity. She has held the trishul in both of her hands, and the asura is praying to her. We are sending a message of peace, and we are sending a message of unity that we all need to be together. We all need to stand together in this troubled time. And there is no point in fighting amongst each other because there is something bigger and something unknown, unpredictable that has attacked us, and we are yet to recover from that. So this is what our pandal is, and this.
Sir, how long did it take to build this pandal?
Sir, it took us around a month, a little over 1 month. We did not take much time because the government directive came very late. We were unsure as to how we can help the Puja. Now that we have finally done it, we have erected this pandal. We are here facing the dilemma. And it's not the betterment of others.
Okay. Pritham, one last thing that I wanted to know is what is the budget of your pandal?
Our budget is roughly 5 to 6 lakhs. Because we have reduced the budget this year so that we could help others. We have already conducted sessions with the Rotary Club.
I understand. Pritham, thank you very much for your wonderful presentation of Santoshpur Trikon Park. It has been a pleasure.
Yes, sir. So stay safe and stay healthy during this pandemic.
Absolutely. Same to you. You all, everybody stay safe. Stay healthy. We want to thank everyone, including Mr. Bala Murugan. We want to thank Durga Khaitan for being very patient and being with us. We want to thank Mazavin Khaled, Sonia Verdi, Mr. Virinder Sharma, who has been with us from the United Kingdom, the Member of Parliament from UK, Member of Parliament from Bangladesh, and the Member of Parliament Sonia Verdi from Kenya, and everybody, the Chief Postmaster General, Mr. Marvin Alexander. So all of those who have been with us today, and we have been, I feel everyone has seen and enjoyed not only the grandeur, but the work of art that the Kolkata Durga Puja committees have really painstakingly put up over the past few months, past 1.5 months, despite the pandemic. What we are very proud of the fact that in India, in Kolkata, despite the pandemic, despite such a depressing scenario, we have been able to put up such wonderful work of art. I want to have a quick word from Mr. Bala Murugan and then a quick word from Durga Khaitan. Mazavin, if you are there, we also have to have a quick word from you too. Can I have a quick word from Mr. Bala Murugan?
I have only one thing to say. I've also typed in the chat box. I could see the indomitable spirit of artists and club people who have made this possible. People like me, we go to office and come back, and even going out of home is such a big thing. But see, look at their passion. Oh my God! Like we are wowed, and thanks for the opportunity. Our entire family, we watched this, and this is inspiring to us. Thank you.
Thank you, and Durga Khaitan. Durga, you need to unmute your mic.
Thank you, Abhijit, for this awesome opportunity once again. And because of, everything around us is so depressing, I'm also having some health issues, as you know. But despite all of it, I mean, I was in hospital today also. I got out only in the evening, and I'm having this awesome opportunity of visiting all the colorful pandals all through the city. You gave me a virtual tour. So thank you so much for this opportunity, and keep encouraging us and keep adding joy to our lives. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks a lot. Thank you everybody for being with us, and thanks all in the audience for watching us. আমাদের দেখার জন্য সকলকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। পৃথিবীর বিভিন্ন প্রান্ত থেকে যারা আমাদের সাথে আছেন এবং কলকাতার যারা দর্শক, বিশ্বের যারা দর্শক যারা আমাদের দেখলেন, কলকাতার দুর্গাপুজো দেখলেন, এই প্যান্ডেমিকের মধ্যেও এক অসাধারণ প্রেজেন্টেশন। মেহজাবিন খালেদ সরের কাছে ওনার থেকে আমরা একটা শব্দ শুনে নেব, নিশ্চয়ই উনি দেখেছেন। মেহজাবিন খালেদ।
Thank you, Abhijit. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Thank you, Abhijit. I really enjoyed. This is not the first time. This is I think the fourth time. Last 3 times I was actually there judging all the mandaps. It's amazing when you see it on the ground, but this effort through the internet, it was wonderful. At least we could enjoy all the mandaps, the colorful, and the people enjoying, like at least in their mind and soul, they're enjoying. I know it's a COVID time. We are going through such a horrible time. Everybody is sick or they're depressed, but this actually made a little bit difference. So thank you again, making this happen. And I hope you keep on doing this. Thank you again. And happy Durga Puja to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you everybody. Thank you all the audience. Thank you all our viewers of ANM News, and we'll keep coming back to you. We'll have more such programs during the Durga Puja. We'll have, once again, we will show you all our pandals, all the pandals. We'll touch upon every aspect of Durga Puja in coming days. Thanks a lot and a very good night from ANM News and Impact Sharodanando. Thank you.